Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Black Hearted from Polo G's new album, Hall of Fame. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more songs from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for tab downloads. Enjoy. So this entire song is a single riff. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So like I mentioned, this entire song is made up of a single riff. It starts on a C sharp dyad. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 9th fret of the E string and your ring finger on the 11th fret of the A string. And you're going to pick the E string and then the A string twice. Then you're going to slide down to the 5th fret of the low A string. And you're going to do the same picking pattern again. Then we're going to go to an E dyad. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 7th fret of the A string and your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string. And you're going to pick the A string and then D string twice. Then we're going to go to a B dyad. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 7th fret of the low E string and your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string. And you're going to pick the low E string and then the A string twice. And it repeats, and I'll play it for one more time. It sounds like this. And that's it for Black Hearted. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more songs from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for tab downloads. Thanks.